We listen to our customers that are currently welding with radio frequency, and Miller Weldmaster is proud to introduce to you the RFlex stationary radio frequency welder. Also, we have a traveling RFlex radio frequency welder that we can make virtually in any length that you need. These welders were designed with precision welding on a large, grand format scale. For our customers that'll be welding back-to-back signage, billboards, building wraps, etc. These were designed specifically with safety and ergonomics in mind, and we are proud to say that these welders are serviced and supplied with parts coming from Navarre, Ohio.